kind of a quick one here. This has a picture of a scale right here. And it says the picture below shows that one box is heavier than 5 identical cans. The box has a mass of 40 kilograms. What could be the mass in kilograms of the can? And we have a couple of answers down here. But what could the mass in kilograms be of one can?
Okay, and then what are the choices?
Okay, the choices are 40, 10, 8, or 6.
8 or 6.
Yeah.
Or 6. Okay, I will do my best to answer this pretty quickly. So what we know is that 40 kilograms is heavier than these cans. Okay, pardon my terrible drawing, please.
That's
it's
pretty
really
good.
Just trying to be like really, really quick here. But these little circles here, these are my cans. Those are cans.
Look at an alien face.
Yeah. And
Eyes.
and so what we
Rosy.
know also, if let's say that these two were equal to each other, then each of these cans, we could take this 40 divided by 5 to find out what each can would weigh. And that's just, again, if they were equal. So we'd say 40 divided by 5, that's 8. So if again, these two weights were equal, they'd be 8 kilograms each. But we know that this 40 kilograms is heavier. So the cans are actually lighter than 8 kilograms each, because if they were 8, they'd be equal. So that means they have to be something, these cans have to be less than 8 kilograms in order to make this scale have the 40 kilograms be more heavy than the cans. So that would eliminate A, B, C, and leave us with D. So we could say that each can could be 6 kilograms. We could also check this by doing 6 times 5 to see that this total weight here would be 30 kilograms. If I, by 6 kilograms times the 5 cans would give me 30 kilograms. Yep, that's lighter than 40 kilograms. It checks out. So that was kind of a quick answer. I hope I didn't forget anything.
Can I just show, this will be really quick, not to add too much. I think we got like 5 or 6 minutes left. But
Okay.
but another way, and I think we talked about this before, is to set up an inequality.
Oh, yeah.
And think like X is the weight of a can. And we can say that 5 times the number of cans has to be less than 40. So if each can weighs the same, we can set one variable. And we can just solve this like the same way we would solve any regular equation. And we can say X has to be less than 8 in those kilograms. And then we could test that really quick. But again, like we could set up an inequality for that.
Yeah,
and solve that way.
Actually, that's really kind of that's nice to say. I think that's where a lot of this is going, where these
Right.
scale problems.
Yeah.
They're trying to get you to start thinking in equations and like, okay, these unknown
Right.
things, these cans, these unknowns. This is the same thing as variables. So they can absolutely lead to equations and inequalities. And most situations can be solved with inequalities or
Right.
equations as well, whether we have to or not, but they can be. It's a good skill to know. So nice to see both ways.